Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how we can create a search help, how we can add a search help to a standard search help. Like you have a collective search help. So let me tell you what I'm doing is here, this is the business partner screen, and here if you notice the vendor supplier. So if I click here you can see there's a bunch of search helps available. Okay, now here I will add a new search help for me. Okay, so let me, and this search help would be a little special because in this search help we are going to add a CDS view. So I go to SE11. Okay, the first thing I'll do is I'll create a search help. Now the CDS view I have already created. Okay, so this is the CDS view. So basically this CDS view is tells all the vendors that is related for inventory GR. So that's my CDS view. So first I'll create a search help. Okay, so first I'll create a search help and I'll put CST11. No, first I'll create a view. So Control X and no, first I'll create a search help, and here I'll put CDS and we'll put test. Okay, one. So I'll create. The best thing is always to copy one search help. So let's do one thing. Let's copy one search help. So I'll just take this one, suppose grid A, this one. So the best thing is always copy. We are not going to do any rocket design. So here we are just going to copy, and here we'll just put a name. So here we have CDS and we'll put CDS1. Okay, and here I'll create and I'll put local objects, and then then we have created. Now we are going to change it. We'll get we'll put suppliers uh, for inventory here. Okay, so that's my search help. Now here the selection method would be, if I go here, would be this one. Okay, this SQL name. Okay, so I'll copy this one, Control C, and here you can see I'll put this. I'll take this thing out and I'll take all these things out because I don't need this, because I have different parameters for those. Okay, so what I'll do, I delete this. Okay, now search help parameter, what I'll be doing here is vend. No, we don't need vend name. So what we'll do is we'll see vend number, and we have material. These are all the CDS views field names. Okay, PO number and PO item. Okay, and here I'll press enter, and here you can see this is already populated with the data element. Okay, and this one vendor number, material, and these are all export. Okay, and this ones we will one we just put this two, this is the position 3 and 4 and 4. Okay, now we just want to make sure. So these were the name. If you notice, these are the names, and you can add other things if you want. Okay, so if you want, you can add the PORG also. So we can take what was the PORG name? It's pretty slow, the system is PORG. Okay, so we will just populate PORG here, PORG. We'll put 5, and we'll put 5. That's it. We're trying to activate it. Let's see. gets activated. Wow, it's activated. Now if I want to execute, I can just execute, and here I'll get my result. Okay, so it's giving the result. So a lot of things probably is there, so it's working. So here I have all the result. Okay. mm. So here, so let me close this now. Now what I'm going to do, this search help is created, so control C. Next thing what I have to do is I will go to display script. Okay, I need to add it here. So first thing, I right click, I click app and structure. Okay, click on app and structure, pretty easy. And here we click on create button, pretty easy again. And here we'll just give a name to create, and we'll say supplier for inventory. Yeah, okay, something like this. And here we'll put the included search help. Here is our included search help, and we have put it here. We'll activate this, select local objects, and we'll see. This is yes. Warning in SAP is nothing. So if you have been working with SAP for at least one project, you will know that warning is nothing. So here now you have this already created. Now it's time for testing. Okay, how we can test it? Pretty simple. Close this. Okay, and this is unique because we used a CDS view. Okay, now here we click. Here is our inventory PO. This is the stuff that we got. And now if I execute this just for the heck, okay, now I'll get all the vendors with the inventory item. Okay, so it's spinning. There it is. You see all the vendors that has the purchasing document. These are inventory items, so if you can see, you can think all this. So this is very helpful. So it's very easy way. What we did, we created a search help, and we created a search help with CDS view, and then we added to the standard search help. So that way, and this is something that anywhere, any project, S4 HANA, ECC, wherever you go, you will be getting it, and you can easily do it in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning. And if you like it, share and subscribe to it, and have a great day.